All right, so quick rundown of what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take out the radiator, take out the intercooler, take out the air intake, disconnect the power steering line, take out the harness, take off the brake shield cover, brake booster line, obviously. We have to take off our tach pickup right there. As you guys can see, space is getting tight, so we're gonna work with what we have. Grabbing a 14, grabbing a 15, just in case. You know what? And a 12, because you never know. Let's get the wiring harness out of the way because that's taking up a lot of space right here and just, you know, all over the place. Time for me to update you guys on everything that's happened since I've had the GoPro issues. Alright, so we've lost a lot of footage. It's been a pretty long time. I think right now I'm just gonna update you guys on what's happened, everything you missed. I'm currently filming on my iPhone, unfortunately, because GoPro is terrible, at least the one they sent me. You guys can see, I don't know if I put the clips in or not, but yeah, intercooler piping's out, intercooler's off, the headlights are out, power steering lines were disconnected and then wrapped up. All the openings were closed up. We got our, I guess you could say like engine hoist hooks, but now that we have this one and then the one back here, we don't have to wrap it around the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold. These are way better and probably way easier. Harness is all out, radiator's out. The thing I did with the radiator that I didn't notice, the fans are actually hardwired, so there's no connector to like disconnect them. Unfortunately, that kind of sucks. I had to just kind of leave it connected and then let it lay on the windshield, and that's how we'll have to pull the motor. The only thing that we're waiting on right now is to get the motor mounts out, transmission mounts out, and then actually pull the motor, which I have to borrow a hoist because the hoist I had to pull the KA and put the SR in the first time, I sold it a long time ago. And I don't want to buy a new hoist because it's not something I use every day. Or hopefully I can borrow a hoist from one of my friends or somebody on IG or something like that that's local. I do have to buy an engine stand to get this on a stand once we go to refresh everything. Just buy one from like Harbor Freight or something. Our coolant res, we drained that and took that out also. Basically, the engine's ready to come out 1000%. It's literally because I'm missing a bolt in the trans mount, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 bolts, and then the motor's gonna come right on out with the hoist.